I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fit. The tie gun and stainless steel cable tie must match. Once confirmed, wrap the tie snugly around the bundle and push the tail fully into the head. Make sure the housing sits flat against the bundle so the tool can engage. Grip the gun and pull the trigger gently to take initial tension. This removes slack without cutting. You do this to align strands and test tension setting. If it slips, stop and reset the tie before proceeding. Once the tie is preloaded, increase the tension setting gradually to reach final tightness. Do not jump to the highest number, because overtension can deform the bundle or break the tie. Make sure you steady the bundle with your free hand so tightening is even. Use smooth, continuous trigger pulls so the cutter and tensioner operate in sync. You'll know you're done when the tie head seats flush and there's a firm, no-squeak feel. Pause and check alignment before cutting. You finish by engaging the cutter. Apply a final steady squeeze until the tail severs cleanly and the cut is flush with the head. Once done, inspect the cut edge and the bundle for any damage. If the tail jams or doesn't cut, stop immediately. Either reverse the mechanism if available or release tension, and remove the tie to inspect for a bent tail or debris. If fraying or repeated failures occur, replace the tie or service the gun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.